So now we've got our PCB finished, the whole process is finished, and now you want to get it manufactured. I'm going to show you how to go ahead and output that Gerber file. So let's click on CAM export and just leave everything by default. I've already done one, so I'm just going to overwrite this, and it's going to be a zip file. So go ahead and save the zip file somewhere you know where it's at. It's probably going to be in your project folder. And that's it. It outputs everything into your Gerber. EagleCAD's pretty easy like that, so some OrCAD is a little bit more intense when you output your files. So now if you go to JLCPCB's homepage, just do get quote now. Now we're going to add our Gerber file, and you're going to drop in the zip file. Nothing more. You don't have to unpack it, unzip it. You just drop in the zip file, and it's going to process it. And one thing I like about this manufacturer is they have a Gerber viewer built in, so we can go ahead and just do a last minute quick sanity check. Now you can see what it would look like in other colors. If you want in other colors, we're just going to go with green. I don't think it's any additional costs to go with those colors. You can see here's our stitching in our footprint for our battery. That's exactly what it should look like. And you can also see our vias are all tinted. No coppers exposed there. Now here is kind of an error. You're not going to see the silkscreen printed over your copper trace right here on these footpads. It's just not going to be printed, and that's okay. Who cares? It's not a big deal. Like I said before in a previous video, if we really cared, we just would have stopped. And now you can see if we go to the bottom layer, you can see a few of the through holes, and you can see our text that we wrote. So everything looks good, and now from here we can go ahead and purchase it, and they'll manufacture it and have it sent to you in almost a week or less. Actually, it's pretty quick. And then I am not a sponsor of JLCPCB. This is just a good resource for hobbyists. Probably one of the cheapest manufacturers you can find. $2 plus shipping. And there you have it.